Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this little quick discussion of a tool that I recently bought that I wanted to share with you at a Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is a value dealer across the United States, and a couple of years ago they made big news across the country because generally everything in the store was a dollar and they raised the price to $1.25, and they didn't change the name of the store to the $1.25 Tree, it just left it Dollar Tree. But you can find some good deals in there. And the other day I was just walking through because we have a new one near my house and I found this. Now, I have recommended sanding sponges. This one's getting pretty worn out. This one's still in pretty good shape for a long time for dealing with sharp fret ends on inexpensive ukuleles. Maybe not expensive ukuleles, but for sure inexpensive ukuleles. It's a great solution. And this is a sanding sponge that was there for $1.25 with a holder on it. So I haven't had a chance to take this apart yet, but I thought I would share it with you. So that's what the label looks like. It says hand sanding block kit. And ultimately, it just is a sanding sponge in a plastic holder, which is nice. Now, you would have to make sure that any replacements that you bought fit the holder, but that's a nice little tool. And just as an example, not that this instrument specifically needs it, but this is an Ola HM-21NT that I'm going to be reviewing. But if I want to sand those frets on a cheap ukulele, I just sand at an angle, at a 45-degree angle. I recently just did a video about how I worked with a Laccato ukulele. And you can see that it sort of like leaves where leaves a trail where you've sanded, but it's going to deal with any sharp fret ends. And the sponginess of the sanding sponge gets in between. And now there's not a whole lot for me to grip onto here because, believe it or not, this Ola was really set up quite well with fret ends. There might be a couple on that bottom end over there, but it doesn't take much. But for $1.25 for a sanding sponge, if you have a Dollar Tree near you, this is definitely something to keep. If you have a teacher that has ukuleles, it might be a great gift for them to say, hey, I got you this, just so you can sand the fret ends on your ukuleles. And feel free to send them this channel or to my website if they want to reach out to me, and I'm definitely happy to walk them through that. So again, $1.25 whole sanding kit that would fit some of these, but not others. That one would be too large to fit in there, and I would have to somehow cut it to fit if I wanted to use that sanding sponge. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.